Hey there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'll show you how to make this amazing PowerPoint template about this is opening slide regarding Japan, and I'll show you how to make this template. But first, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also hit the bell icon. By the way, you can download this free template from the link in the description below, and it's completely free to edit and use for your own personal use. So let's begin. First of all, you have to insert a blank slide. You're gonna insert a background image, and I'll use this high resolution image. Next, you're gonna insert a rectangle, cover the entire slide, remove its outline, and give it a white fill. Go to format shape, click on gradient fill, click on path and type, and you're gonna give both gradient of white color and give them transparency. Add a straight line just on top of the picture, and you're going to change its fill to white. Align it into the center. Next, what we're going to do is add a text box for the title of our company or the main title that represents all of this template. Next, we're going to increase its size, change its font. The font I'm using is Modern Love Regular. You can download it from Chrome. Next, what we're going to do is insert a round corner rectangle like this and put it right here and on top of this line right here, and change this fill to white, remove its outline and stick it just with the line. Next, we're gonna add the other contents like the text. So I'll just write here popular places. And right now, this round corner rectangle would make it look that we are just searching popular places, like we're on the popular places page. So now we're gonna add more information like tours, about us, contact us, and other information. And then we're gonna move them closer to each other so that we can make space for our Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter IDs. Now go to Insert tab on Pictures, and from here I'm gonna insert 3 of the icons that I have downloaded from flaticon.com, and it's a free website from where you can download your icons with outline or without outline, and there are plenty and a variety of icons to choose from. You can customize them according to your choice, like you can give them colors like white, black, or any color that you want using your color palette. Next, we're gonna insert our text, that is a title. That is what this place is. Rotate it and give it transparency and put it right onto the right side of the template. Next, what we're going to do is just move this rectangle out of the slide while holding shift. Now duplicate our background image and send it to the back. And we're going to use this freeform shape to trace out some part of our image. Well, from here, we're gonna just click on it and attach the ending part with the starting part. Remove its outline, select the image and then the shape, and go to intersect from merge options. And now you can see that a part of it is like cut off. Now we're gonna copy and paste our text. First of all, while holding shift, move this rectangle on the picture again. And we're gonna send our image to the front, and as you can see, everything looks just perfect. So this looks that our text is just behind the trees, and this is all just because of the freeform shape. So after giving the other content text, this is the final result. And if you like this video, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also hit the bell icon to get more amazing videos and tutorials like these, and also get free access to my free template from my Patreon link and from my Pinterest link.